And welcome to Aziz Cycle. And today we're going to answer the most two common questions regarding financing. The first one, what's my down payment? The second one, what's my monthly payment? And it is not easy as you think for someone to just ask that question and just get the answer right away. I need to know what's your credit score and I need to know what's your monthly income. With higher monthly income, I can put you in a higher value bike. And instead of $5,000 bike, I can put you in a $10,000 bike.
True. And as far as your monthly payment, it's based off of numerous of things. Like you said, piggybacking off what Mike said, it's based off credit score and monthly income. The bank takes all of that and put it into factors. And just for a lot of people that know anything about bikes, I've bought bikes before, know anything about credit, that's when your DTI will come into play. So if you have 60% DTI, we can still get you approved, but the chance of you getting a low down payment will be a little bit higher. So the better the DTI, the better the credit, the more income, the better it is to get a bike.
The third common question is, what if I have a bad credit less than 500? Am I gonna still get approved?
Yeah, of course, we can still get you approved. Only thing that would be a little bit higher would probably be the down deposit. And then also your monthly bill will be a little bit higher as well.
The fourth common question, what if I have a bad credit and low income?
Well, if you have bad credit, low income, at that point the bank will require a cosigner. And a cosigner has to be someone that has joint responsibility with you. So as far as bank account, lease agreement, anything that you guys are together on or your name shows together on will be better for you.
Does he require to have a good credit as well or no?
His credit has to definitely be better than yours, and 9 times out of 10, if the credit is better, the limit will go up and also the deposit will go down. But if the credit is not as good, they'll take the income. So either you gotta have better credit or better income.
And what if I have a repossession on my credit score?
Okay, if you have a repossession, as long as it's over 2 years, we can definitely still get you approved. It won't affect you as much. If it's under 2 years, it's gonna affect you, and that's basically gonna drop you a tier.
Another common question, how long can I finance my bike for? And what's the percentage, what's the interest rate?
Great question. Most banks typically go from 12 to 70 months. And on average, some banks go a little bit beyond that. Interest rate all depends on your credit score and how much money you make. And it typically go from a range of 4% all the way up to 21%.
The last question, do I need insurance before I leave the loan?
Yeah, that's a great question. And in most cases, yes, you will need it unless you have a higher credit tier. So basically, if you're over 620, most banks in a subprime credit, if you're over 620, you're not required to have insurance on your bike, if the bike is under $10,000. Don't be scared or don't be shy about any questions or issues that you may have. If there's a will and there's a way, we can definitely get you approved. Most cases, our approval rate is 99.9. So as far as like credit and getting approved, we definitely have you. So thank you for sharing and listening and watching our video. My name is Charles over at Aziz Cycle. Our number is 813-600-1587.
Guys, Charles is gonna go above and beyond to get you approved and get you on the bike you've always been dreaming of. Thank you guys for watching and share our videos and see you on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.